Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Ikan Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Let's talk about the dollar yen. So the question is wave 5 completed for the dollar yen, right? If it's not, then we might see one more fake out, maybe to 116 before we go further down. And the reason why is because it wants to catch traders, right? Trap traders going long at these levels, liquidate them, and then bring them down. So really at this point, we're quite neutral about the price. Maybe slightly bearish, but more or less neutral. Don't be surprised if it moves up here to test 115 or maybe even 116 before a major correction. If this happens, the downside will be larger, right? Longer at around 111, right? But if it doesn't, and then breaks down from here, right here, this level by the red line, then really we're looking at 2.7 before some kind of upside. Before to be met with some support here at about 1127. Because I think then the price is ready to range a bit, and then maybe, catch people going the wrong side and then dump further down. Yeah, so that is for the dollar yen.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.